學寫中文字 Learn to write in Chinese.
Hello, 我哋今日嘅字係個雪字。Our character for today is 雪。個雪字有11個筆畫。The character 雪 has 11 brush strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11。點解個雪字會咁樣寫呢？ Why would we write the character 雪 in this way? 原來雪係用兩個唔同嘅字做出嚟。The character 雪 is made up of 2 different characters. 上嗰個橛就係雨，落雨嗰個雨。The top part of the character is 雨 which means rain. 下底嗰部分就係簡化咗嗰個歲字，借佢個聲音。呢個歲就係歲星嗰個歲。The bottom part of the character is 歲 which means comet, as it borrows the sound. 所以雪就係雨加埋歲就變咗雪，因為雪就係好凍嗰時落雨，啲雨就會變咗冰，好似雪星咁樣跌落嚟。Because when it gets really cold, the rain that falls down from the sky turns into ice and it's like little comets. 多謝你今日同我學寫中文字。Thank you for learning to write in Chinese with me. 下次再見啦 See you next time. Bye bye!